The 77 gigahertz radar control unit, SKU 26295. This is the component that will bridge between the radar detectors and your screen. When you buy this unit, it comes with everything you need to replace the control unit, or the brain as we like to call it. This is the part that will then take all the radar information and overlay it on your screen down to the quadrant. It'll also go from green to red on the specific camera, showing you where the object is with a distance overlay in meters or feet. Next up is the wiring diagram. Here you will see how easy everything is to set up. You're going to mount the cameras, you're going to mount the radar, thread the cable from the component to the brain, fire up the screen, and you're good to go. This is as easy as a wiring diagram can get. We know you're going to love it. And when the time comes for you to calibrate the system, you're going to download the iOS or Android app, connect it to each individual radar, set the distances of detection that you want, the width and the depth. You can even avoid fixed objects such as a hitch, a dolly, or even a step, so you don't get false readings, which we know drive everybody crazy. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,500 verified, that is verified, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. Please call us anytime at 866-966-5550. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!